Is your Spectrum app constantly freezing on your Apple TV? You're not alone. This issue often stems from a mix of server-side problems, app compatibility glitches with tvOS, and unstable internet connections. The freezing often stems from server-side problems, app compatibility glitches with tvOS, and unstable internet connections. The quickest fix is to force quit the app. To do this, double-click the TV button on your Siri remote, swipe to the Spectrum app, and swipe up to close it. Restarting the app clears temporary cache and can often resolve the problem instantly. If that doesn't work, move on to reinstalling the app from the App Store. This refreshes potentially corrupted data and resolves version conflicts. If freezing persists, the issue likely lies with your network. Ensure you have a stable internet speed of at least 25 megabit per second. You can test this in Apple TV's settings. Switching to an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can dramatically improve stability. Disable any VPNs as they can introduce latency. If your network latency exceeds 100 milliseconds, try resetting your router. A rising trend is the use of mesh Wi-Fi systems like Eero or Google Nest, which can reduce network-related freezes. Looking ahead, Spectrum is planning an app overhaul by 2026, and the industry is moving towards adaptive bitrate streaming and AI-driven diagnostics, which promise to minimize or eliminate freezes entirely. For now, try these tips to keep your Spectrum app running smoothly.